Hi, do you have a need such that you gotta go to a website and capture, extract a certain value, right? Such as this one, right here. That from here you gotta capture this, and you, for example, you want this data, right? And you copy this, right? And then there's a 13, right? So then you come here and on the 13, right? So you want to capture it and paste it right here, and then you come back here and you copy this and you paste it here, right? You can see that the data is right here, right? Would it be nice that you supply the website, and then on this kind of robots that can just capture that piece of information for you, right? Every single day, right? It's automatic. It's just with a click, right click, and do a refresh, and that's it, right? It will just show you that data, and that's exactly I'm going to show you how to do this, right? If when you come to my class, right? And thank you for watching, right? So I see you soon, right? And if you want to learn some tips here, right, you can always go to my Facebook page, right? We have this one right here. You can see that we can use this. Yep. Or you can also look at the the other page, which is this right here, right? We also talk about some fundamentals Excel knowledge that you might be useful, right? Okay, and thanks for watching, right? And I see you soon.